As we spoke about the motivation, engagement of students in the process of learning gamification, are there any easy tricks or something from your experience what the teacher can use? Let's say to tell the story, to settle the points, something simple?
Something simple, surprise.
Okay.
Start high, start powerful, surprise. And then from that surprise creates interest, and you work with that interest. You modulate that interest. So the trick is starting very strong. So that creates a positive dynamic, and letting them know when the next strong point is coming. Not the time, but the moment. Say, for example, there is something by the end of the lesson, or there is something by mid-lesson, where you need to gather all your strengths and your knowledge, and it's going to be a tough battle or tough situation you need to solve with all you've learned. So it's like working in its ups and downs. So as a trick, I'd say start strong, make a show, a good one, make sure it's a good one, and work with that. Use that.
It depends
and something important is find allies between just among the students. There's going to be some students that are more engaged. Use them to your advantage.
Okay.